In this video, we will see how to use I2C module with LCD. And if you do not know how to solder, please do not try. Seek help from professional who knows how to solder. Otherwise, it may damage the modules. Desoldering is done, and now I will clean it before I start soldering I2C module to LCD. Is done. Now it's time to solder I2C module, and then we'll see how to connect the wires, the wire connection, and we will upload the code. So everything you will see in this video. I will also share the blog link which you can visit and directly copy and paste the code, and you will see the wire connection also, like I said. Now to see the wire connections and code, just go ahead and visit this URL. This is my official blog. You can visit this URL, and on this page you will see wiring connection. Here, this is the wire connection, and then you will have to install the library. This is the library. So let's go ahead and first install this library. So let me copy the code from here. Okay, and we'll go to Arduino IDE, and we have to install this library. So just copy the library name from here and click on Tools and click on Manage Libraries. Here just search the name. I must have already installed this library, so you can look for the name. So for you see here, I have installed the library here, right? So it is asking me to remove. I won't remove because I installed. So if you want to install, just click on install here, and once installation is done, come back here and upload the code. After uploading the code, if you do not see any text printed on the LCD, then just adjust the potentiometer, which is on the back of I2C module, and you will see the result like this. Because as soon as I rotated the potentiometer with screwdriver, the hello world is printed. Right? So it's working fine.